Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that many people face when using their devices. The problem we'll be exploring in this video is the issue with running out of storage space on your device, which would be a real headache for anyone who loves to download and save files. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key to freeing up storage space on your device is to regularly go through your files and delete any unnecessary items. By doing this simple cleanup, you can make room for new files and ensure that your device runs smoothly. Remember, a clutter-free device is a happy device. One handy solution to this problem is to take advantage of cloud storage services. By moving your files to the cloud, you can free up space on your device while still having access to your files whenever you need them. Plus, it's a great way to back up your important data and keep it safe from any potential device issues. In summary, running out of storage space on your device can be a frustrating problem, but with a bit of organization and the use of cloud storage, you can easily free up space and keep your device running smoothly. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below sharing your own storage saving strategies. Remember, a clutter-free device is a happy device.